Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around looking for an F350 Super Duty. You're going to find a super clean one right here. This is the 2016 edition. Stock number is T20630A. Let's give you that virtual video walk around on this extremely low mileaged Super Duty, just over 40,000 miles. This is the FX4 Off-Road Edition, as you can tell. Super clean, no dents, no scratches, no dings on the interior and exterior. As the tow package, as you can see, fully loaded. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Of course, it's 4x4. Does come equipped with a backup camera, bed liner, Bluetooth capability. Of course, you see the leather right here. Ample legroom for friends or family traveling with you. Does have the moonroof, as you see. We're going to put you right here in the driver's seat. It's a Carfax one owner, clean vehicle history report, super clean one owner. Hard to find vehicle, hard to find F350 Super Duty. For more information, call us, email us, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have, but most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Now, I think I'm going to go take this Super Duty out for a test drive. Hope you will too. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.